Good morning, health enthusiasts! Today, we're whipping up a quick and delicious breakfast to kickstart your day. Let's dive into these healthy recipes in under 60 seconds. First up, a refreshing green smoothie packed with nutrients. Toss in spinach, a banana, a handful of berries, and a splash of almond milk. Blend until smooth, and voila! Your energizing green smoothie is ready. Next, let's make perfectly poached eggs. Crack an egg into simmering water, add a splash of vinegar, and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Drain excess water, and there you have it, a protein-packed, perfectly poached egg. Lastly, let's create a satisfying avocado toast. Mash a ripe avocado, spread it on toasted brown bread, and sprinkle with a pinch of salt and pepper. Simple, nutritious, and delicious. Your avocado toast is ready to enjoy.